Hello, car friends. Every step I'm going to show you has been reviewed by professional mechanics, so relax. This can be fixed. If you're driving your Chevy and suddenly see the message, "Service transmission now, unable to shift soon," the first thing you might think is, what just broke? Don't worry, it doesn't mean your transmission exploded or anything dramatic. This warning basically tells you that the system detected a problem in the transmission or the module that controls it. And if it's not checked soon, you could lose the ability to shift gears. Interestingly, many mechanics tell me that sometimes this message shows up even when the truck doesn't display any symptoms. It can happen after a hard brake, a cold start, or even just a simple software glitch. Some people got rid of the message with a soft system reset. Turn off the car, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on while pressing the brake. Technology magic, and many times it works. Now, if the warning appears randomly or frequently, one of the most common culprits is the shifter control module, or the electronic part that sends the signal to the transmission. Several mechanics say that replacing this part has fixed the issue without opening the transmission, saving a lot of money and headaches. Another cause that sounds simple but often goes unnoticed is the battery or loose connections. Yes, a weak battery or a poorly connected ground cable can make the module think something is wrong with the transmission and trigger the alert. That's why, before jumping into expensive repairs, many recommend checking the battery, terminals, and grounds. Finally, there are more serious cases where there is indeed a real transmission problem, like a faulty valve body or damaged solenoids. In these situations, the message won't go away with a reset or battery check, and professional diagnostics are needed. Mechanics agree that if you notice hard shifts, vibrations, or specific transmission codes, it's time to take the vehicle to a shop.